Hello everybody, welcome to Learning Steps. In my last video, I discussed what is contextual clues and the usage of picture cues to determine meanings of difficult words. If you missed that video, I have given that link in the description box. You can always click on that. So before coming up to two more strategies that I want to discuss with you, I wanted to mention that children, unlike adults, become frustrated when they come across unfamiliar word and they are unable to make sense of what they're reading. It becomes of paramount importance for us as adults to give them these little skills and tools so that it's helpful for them to understand what they're reading. So children should be encouraged when they come across a difficult word. They should be encouraged to just keep on reading because many times authors they provide definition for the unfamiliar word they think that kids will struggle with. So first is that they should look for the definition of the word given. The second strategy is that sometimes authors they do not provide the definition, the exact meaning of the word, but some examples have been provided. So those examples help us to understand the meaning of the word. Let me demonstrate how to use these. Let us see the first example. Snuggling close to Ma, he said, "Night is not a lonely place, Ma. Night is full of wonderful beings." "Yes," replied Ma, "your new friends are nocturnal, just like wild dogs." I really don't know the meaning of the word nocturnal, but I'll still continue to read and see if I get the meaning of this word. Nocturnal animals eat, play, and work at night. They rest during the day. So now I know that nocturnal animals, they are awake at night but rest during the day. Let's look at the second example. "I have a wiggly tooth, Mama. This is Bunu's first loose tooth." She's excited but also a little scared. I really don't know the word wiggly. I don't know the meaning of this word, but I can see it says its first loose tooth. So I make a connection here and I know that wiggly means probably it's not firm, but it has become loose. Let us see how examples are given by the authors and how we can determine meaning of those words. So here is the example. He was upset. His mother had given him an enormous task of cleaning his badly cluttered room. "It will take the whole day, I guess," he sighed. Enormous task. I don't know the meaning of this word, but when I see that his room is badly cluttered and it's going to take the whole day, I think that it's not an easy task. It is a big, huge task for him. So that's how I understand the meaning, or I make a guess that enormous means something very big. Let's look at the second one. Olivia grumpily ate her vegetables. Her face was redder than the tomatoes in her plate, and it seemed as if smoke will come out of her brain. Grumpily. I don't know the meaning of this word, but I see her face was redder than the tomatoes. And when we get angry, our face gets red, and I see smoke will come out of her brain. Probably she is not eating her vegetables happily. Probably she is angry or sad about it. She is probably angry, and so grumpy means angry. Hope you liked the video. I'm going to share more comprehension strategies with you in my upcoming videos. Please stay tuned and thanks a lot for watching.